HiyaHiya Knitters. In this week's video, I am just doing a quick product spotlight showing you our single point adapter sets. So the one I have here is in a large, but we also do these in small. And the idea of these is they will take your interchangeable needles, which are typically circular, and convert them into straight needles. So if you're a bit nervous about using things in the round and you're comfier with straight needles, or you don't feel the need for knitting something in the round, you can always use these. So they come with 6 parts and 2 cable stoppers. Now these 3 parts make up 1 needle. So if I just show you on these ones, the idea is you can screw these together to make as long or short of a needle as you wish, like so. So that would be the longest one you could have. You can put your cable stoppers at the end, which in this set, I have a set of red bead cable stoppers, which are lovely and glittery. So that'll stop my work coming off the end. And then I just put my tip on this end as if you would on a circular needle to your cable. Now, the brilliant thing about this coming in 3 parts is that you can make it shorter or longer depending how you prefer to knit. So personally, when I use straight needles, I hate having them this long. Obviously it depends on the project, so if I'm working on something massive, I will need this sort of length. But as long as you have got a stopper on one of these ends and room for your tip on the other end, you can make these as long and short as you want. So it's mainly using these 2 bits with the screw attachment with this. So if I want a shorter thick circular, I just pop these 2 together, and then this one acts as my connector to my tips. But if I wanted something a little bit longer, but maybe not as big as this one up here, I'd swap out for this needle. So then you have that size. And then obviously you have the option as well, if you really wanted, pop your stopper right there, and then pop your tip into this one. And that's it really. They're a very simple piece of kit to add to your collection of needles. I myself, when I started learning to knit, learnt on straight needles, and I gradually moved over to circular needles, and I do have to say I prefer working on circular needles because it alleviates stress in my wrists. But I have had to make a couple of projects which were worked flat, and I believe I combined these 2 together to make a tip about that long, and it worked the trick lovely, because obviously as well, you've got to remember, depending if you're using a 4-inch or a 5-inch tip, that will also add on length here too. So I think I had a 4-inch tip with this setup, so it's only about that long, so it's perfect for the little project I needed. But yeah, I thought I'd do a whole video on it, as I don't tend to use these so much in my Beth Knits videos, mainly because of my setup with my camera. I will be hitting my camera or my top a lot as I work. So yeah, that is our straight adapters. If you want to see more like this video of different product reviews, please give a like and a comment below. There is so much in our range I have yet to explore on our YouTube, so please let me know if you have any requests. If you want to purchase a set of these for yourself to use, there will be a link below to all of our stockists. So you will be able to find someone there who will be able to help you out in providing you with a set. If you would like to become an official HiyaHiya retailer, there will be a link to registration below as well. And until next time, happy knitting!